If you are still buying those $8 plastic bottles of foaming hand soap from the store, you are basically paying for water and synthetic fragrances. But this is the Citrus Breeze foaming soap. It smells like a high-end kitchen boutique thanks to a scent ingredient, Basil Essential Oil. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today I'm showing you how to ditch the single-use plastic and make a moisturizing, toxin-free soap that takes literally 60 seconds to make. Let's make it. First, you're gonna drop your soap tablet into the empty bottle. Now you want to pour in your 10 ounces of distilled water. Pro tip, leave a little room at the top. If you fill it to the brim, when you put in the pump, it will overflow everywhere. Learn from my mistakes. Now for the aroma. We are creating a complex bright scent. You're gonna add 30 drops of Lava Essential Oil, this gives us that punchy grapefruit and warm wood base. Next, you're gonna need 25 drops of tangerine for pure sweet cheerfulness. And finally, 5 drops of basil. This is the game changer. Basil adds a fresh herbal brightness that cuts through the fruitiness. Since this recipe is mostly water, we need to protect it. I'm adding about 15 drops of Geogard ECT. Without this, you should use the soap within 1 month. But with it, your soap stays fresh and bacteria free for up to 9 months. It is a small step that makes a big difference. Now screw the pump on. And here is the golden rule of foaming soap. Swirl, don't shake. If you shake it, it will foam up inside the bottle and become a mess. Just a gentle swirl is all you need to combine those oils. All right, let's try this out. Wow, look at that lather. My hands feel clean, they feel soft, and it smells just like sunshine. This scent definitely wakes me up immediately. I can smell that basil. It's got that green herbal sparkle that we were talking about earlier. My hands feel clean, but not stripped or dry. They really feel moisturized. I love it because it replaces a household staple with something safer and better smelling. If you want to stop guessing which oils go together and start building a toxin-free home, you need the Simply Earth recipe box. Every month, we curate a new theme and send you 4 full-size essential oils, plus all the extras like the tablets and the mica powder you need. If you're watching this right now, click the link to see if the February box is still available. If it's sold out, the link will take you to our current month's box, which is packed with brand new recipes to help you ditch those toxins. And remember, subscribers get the big bonus box for free, so you'll have plenty of carrier oils and bottles to get you started. I'm curious, when it comes to hand soap, do you prefer fresh citrus scents like this or a more warm floral scent? Let me know in the comments. If you make this, tag us with the hashtag I made this. I've linked the ingredients and the box below. See you in the next video.